Steve Blythe, J.Racenstein, Unger Rinse and Go. Pure water cleaning technology for your car or your house windows in a small, compact, affordable package. So, it comes with this hose. To use it, you're going to want to disconnect your hose and connect the hose in between to your water tap. That goes here on the bottom of the machine. So now you've got your input water for your pure water connected to the machine, and you reconnect your hose on the front here. And this will give you pure water at the end of your hose to go wash your car, windows, whatever with. Unger Rinse and Go.